Alrighty, where are we headed off to today on our adventure?
We are going to Kalamazoo, Michigan.
That's right. We're gonna go see the Doodah parade.
I have no idea what that is, but supposedly it's something.
But that's as far as the adventure is. We're headed off to Kalamazoo to go to see the Doodah parade, which is just like a fun parade. It's kind of indescribable what this parade entails. So we're gonna check it out once we get there. We have our little boy with us, and we are gonna just see what happens. There's also an art festival going on. Yeah, there's an art festival going on, and there is, oh gosh, a bunch of other stuff that we're gonna kind of just check out and see what Kalamazoo has to offer. Sorry about the bumpiness. I forgot any of my stands, so it's just handheld right now. So I do apologize for the shakiness of everything. We're making our way down to the parade here in downtown Kalamazoo. Good time so far.
Yeah.
So we're only about a block away, so I'll turn the camera around so everybody can see what's going on. Again, I forgot my gimbal at home, so sorry it's so shaky. So a Doodah parade is just kind of like a relaxed, fun parade for no particular reason. And we're just gonna sidle on up here and see what we can see. Oh look! It's Santa! And those sirens mean it's the very end of the parade. Yay! We made the end of the parade! Yay!
There's the art festival.
We got to see none of the Doodah parade!
Once again, traffic in Michigan costs us.
Yeah, we got a little hold up, so oh well, we'll get it next year. So yeah, that was the Doodah parade in Kalamazoo. Well, on to the art festival. Kind of jumped over to Bronson Park. They have this great art festival set up, and they also have things like caramel corn and elephant ears, and just having a really cute day in the park. It is probably like 80 degrees right now, and it's supposed to be a hot one today. So we're kind of excited to kind of take it all in and check everything out. I'm totally in love with this thing. Look at it. It's a little dragon. I'm certain later on this year it'll have a bunch of moss on it. Look how cool that is. Look at these guys. These guys are amazing. Oh, is it kinetic sculptures, I guess, kind of, in the wind? I like the little sea turtle there. Cute. Look at these, they're all wooden. Yeah, the bear and the tiger, it's a little train. Well, these are all puzzles. All wooden puzzles and games. I like these 3D ones. Yeah. $58 is not bad. Oh, this is really cool. It's like wood burned. Wow. Yeah. And stained. It's really pretty. There's so much to see at this one. We've been walking for like 10-ish minutes, and we've only been through like a quarter of it. Yeah, man. Wow.
That one down there.
It's very beautiful. Egyptian. Well, these are really pretty. Wow. I like the earrings too. Oh, I like these. Oops. Those ones are really pretty.
Oh, those are cool.
I like those. I like these a lot.
Look at the flies.
It's cool. Wow, look at that one. Gemstone.
Wow.
Do you like that, Ma? Yeah, she says. And they have also these artworks. I like that ship one. Bradley Goff is the artist. Oh, wow. It's pretty.
First option panda, second option tiger.
Wow. Oh, I like that one. I don't know why, but this one is right up my alley. Because, like, look at these guys. Look at these.
I think, yeah.
These little mini Happy Birds, they're $35. The bigger one is $165. They are adorable.
Uh-huh. Whoa, Robin eggs.
I love these little they're called screwy dogs.
There you go, a little Robin eggs.
These are fantastic.
I have Robin eggs in my shed. Or like they're on inside the lawnmower.
My favorite tile is this cow. I love that cow. This is from Doug Brink's studio. Look at that tea set. And it's got Chip on it. Is that supposed to be Mrs. Potts and Chip?
Yep.
Mrs. Potts and Chip.
Very good.
That's amazing. Oh wow, look at that inlay.
That's what I said, it was like it, but not like
These are beautiful. Wow. These are so beautiful. That is amazing.
So cool.
The art of Randy Ford. Look how amazing these are.
Portraits of things.
These are my aesthetics.
Wow.
I kind of need these in my life. I would have a whole room devoted just to this style of art. Oh man. I love these. Lori Hugh. These are really adorable.
So I knew this one person that did that was
These are very, very cute. And so intricate. Oh man. Oh, that's my favorite. It's Banksy graffiti paint. This is the Redwoods of California, called Generations. The artist is Tom Lazar. Oh, I like that one. Matt likes that one because it looks like. What does it look like to you?
Redwood Forest,
Oh, he had to go with the real one.
Minnesota.
I was expecting him to say something Star Wars.
Oh, there's another one.
And this is my favorite. I like this one. I don't know what this is. This is petrified. Oh, it's a petrified log in the petrified forest in Arizona. That's a photo. That's cool. Look at these stained glass from Batavia, Illinois. Alan Sievers and Luann Sievers, the artists. These are beautiful. Almost Frank Lloyd Wright looking. I like it. We walked into the church just at the end of the road here I think we're on Lovell and Park. And look at this place. It is beautiful, the stained glass.
They went that way.
And the Renaissance Revival, the archways. It's Renaissance Revival. Not Gothic, because if it was Gothic, it would be a little bit more straight. But really beautiful. I mean, the ceilings have got to be like, I don't know, 100 feet tall. It's really far up there. I really can't do vertical height. But yeah, that's the altar. Gorgeous, though. A lot of the details are stunning. Like, look at the rose window that they have. Let me darken this down so you can see it. So that's the rose window. Sorry, I'm moving so much. I don't have a tripod. Yeah, there's the rose window, stained glass, really beautiful. So yeah, I love it. That was it for the art show
Yes.
so far. So now we're gonna head off to our family's house and then just chill out for a minute, maybe play around. And while we're here, my brother stopped by with his brand new puppy. Let's take a look at Walter. Hey, Walter! Look at him go.
Sit down. Sit.
Good job, Walter. Oh, you're so sweet. Look at you. Hey, sweetie.
What's that?
I don't know if there could be a more perfect summer day so far. There's my little guy. Everybody's kind of out in the backyard and playing ball. As you can see by the costume change, we are headed out of Kalamazoo. We're back in the car, getting ready to go back home. We were gonna go do some more exploration today and like go check out a few things, but it's raining and gross. So we've decided that we should just make our way home. We might still stop in St. Joseph if it lets up for the weather to go check out just like a few things because it's on the way home and it's a nice little town. So we really like it. Yeah. So hopefully we'll see you guys in a little bit. If not, we'll see you on our next adventure.